Yes, it's a floppy disk. A computer storage that's become a save icon. A save icon that's you often seen in a software editor, inspired by a storage computer that was founded in 1960. Hi, welcome to my channel, Twinklydarfeduzt. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my main channel and my second channel, Twinklydarfeduzt too. Okay, let's go. This video will explains about and computer storage that's used to be popular, but it now forgotten. Yes, floppy disk is a famous computer storage that popular in 1960. It was used by computer that's using Windows 95, Windows 98, and Windows 2000. Floppy disk or diskette was used to have a big size, but the capacity is small, only 80 kilobytes. Very small, but the size of diskette getting smaller, but the capacity is getting bigger. 1. There is 5.5-inch diskette that have a capacity 1.44 megabytes. Still small, right? But a low-resolution photo can fit into the diskette. 2. There is 3.5-inch floppy disk. This 3.5-inch diskette capacity almost same as 5.25-inch diskette. But did you know? Windows OS in 1990 era, the installation need more than one diskette floppy disk. It's need 21 diskette. Meanwhile, Windows 98 that's released by Microsoft need 35 diskette that's have 1.68 megabytes for 3.5-inch diskette. Imagine, after waiting for long to install Windows 98, but the last floppy disk broken. Did you know how diskette or floppy disk is working? Diskette is using magnetic disk, is where the data is saved. And a part that have in floppy disk is magnetic disk, hub, housing, paper ring, housing, shutter, spring, right, protect tab, and plastic flap. Diskette using a cover that's usually used a cover that's made by plastic. In the plastic cover, there is open part to read and write. Okay, we are approaching at the end of floppy disk era. There is another devices like a new type of floppy disk, but the capacity is more bigger than ever. It has 220 plus MB. But this floppy disk use a special format with special read and write, and the price is more expensive, so the user not that much. In the same time, compact disc or CD is getting more cheaper, and the capacity is more bigger. So, in early 2000, floppy disk finally getting abandoned. In another country, apparently floppy disk is used by military, hospital, etc. because there is an old computer in there that's need floppy disk so they can use the computer. But in 3 years later, floppy disk isn't usable because it's outdated. They prefer to use hard disk or solid state drive or even flash disk. Maybe there is no revival again for floppy disk because it's already abandoned. Okay. So it's just an information for this video. I hope this video is useful. Goodbye.